Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can pick teams for the 2026 Valorant Masters playoffs. So the one in London, I don't know why I just said that. You guys probably know where it is. But if you want to make pick'ems, you have to do it, I think today. I think they're going to play tomorrow, but let's go to Esports. So yeah, they're going to be, oh, actually, today, I think. Is it like my time? I don't know. But basically, oh, yeah, tomorrow. Basically, you're going to go to Pick'ems here, and we will make Pick'ems for the Swiss stage to go to playoffs. It's going to close in about a day, so make sure you do it now. So let's make picks. So it says advancing. Pick 4 teams to advance. Your first pick will earn bonus points if they advanced and defeated. So you are going to pick your undefeated team here. I'm going to choose Vitality. Okay, I'm probably going to change it later, but my favorite team isn't here anyway, so it's fine. But if you do um pick like finish top 50%, you can get the like buddy and the perfect picks. If you get 100%, finish top 20%, you'll get the gold one. I really want the Sage Buddy, this one. I don't really want the gold one, but I really hope I get this. So I want to make it right. And then I think I'll do Full Sense, and maybe I don't really watch any others except for Pacifics because I only watch Paper X. Sometimes I watch others, but I don't really do that. So I don't know like which teams are like very good, you know? Um I'm going to pick NRG, and then I'll pick like Leviathan maybe, or Global Esports. I don't know. Let's just pick that. And then you don't have to like save. It's going to just save automatically, as you can see here. But yeah, that is how you can make your pick'ems for this Masters London. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!